too.
Not weekly anymore, we're daily.
And if you haven't seen our show before, we basically talk about new British music and some old British music.
And here we are, today's show.
I'm Pete.
I'm Paul.
We're from the band Jello Banana.
And here we go. Okay, police.
Police! They're back together!
Back together! Tour around the world!
And if you get a chance to buy tickets, you want to buy these tickets. I'm buying tickets.
I'm going to.
Maybe we should go together.
Exactly, going together.
Okay, and
we have a contest next week coming up. If you can name all
3 remaining members of the police,
you get 2 free tickets
to the concert in London.
In London, yes. Woo! Okay.
Coops. The Coops.
Yes.
New band.
New band, doing great actually.
They are great.
Yes, two hit songs I think.
Sway and Ula.
Yes, it's doing very well. Okay.
If you see the CD, buy it.
Yes,
buy it.
Buy it. Yes. Okay.
Woo! Listen to my voice. Buy it.
Yes. Okay. We're going to Coldplay.
Coldplay. Yeah. It appears that Joe Satriani only dropped the charges on them.
Drop the charges. If you are a Coldplay fan, this is good news. Good news.
How is your Joe Satriani fan?
And just get out of the building.
I guess you just didn't think you could win.
Yeah, Coldplay, big band in London. Yeah. Big band.
Well, the rumor is that they're coming out with a new CD after Viva La Vida.
Very good, but I do not believe that rumor. Too busy.
Chris Martin, he's got a kid.
Yes.
Okay,
we have a guest. Special guest. Named Mo Charles.
He's from London.
Mo Charles, yes.
Mo Charles. Here he is singing his hit song.
Picking up. This kid's gonna go places.
Okay.
Need a pick.
I got big old settled down seat and I go like that. Forget about it. Having much of all that gold out of bed for good. Till I am shocked up here around my reflection on a better day. So I got down a minute too. But you got down a minute. There's something I never did build. This promise I'll never break. Mo Charles, salutations, farewell, we'll see you tomorrow.